In the sheet metal, we have some tools are also left here. Today's we talk about these tools. What the tools are do. Come to the sheet metal scene. Go to there. I just first of all select your place. I just show your place. And go to first of all, I make a sketch right here. And in this case, for sheet metal, as earlier classes we saw about the flange, chat, edge bands, meter, ham log, sketch logs, and then corners, right? This one is I talked about as well, right?
Right.
Then we come to the other ones. It's today's we talk about other ones. To go to first of the sketch, I will firstly create as a sketch, start my sketch, select the plane, and do as a sketch first. And then right here you can mention dimension also. I just mentioned it 160, and I mentioned here this is 130. After this, exit your sketch, go to the feature, extrude boss press, use a mid plane, and I extrude it. As 40, and then whatever it is you want to extrude it right here. To 60, I think. Yeah, this is your extrude boss press, and if you click on OK, this will be created right here. Right now,
Okay.
I want to do as a go to the sheet metal, and then I want to do as a convert to sheet metal.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is I want to do here. So how to do the convert to sheet metal option I do. If I have a solid object and then I want to do convert this into the sheet metal and this option, then how to do that? Click on the convert to sheet metal first. After that, you can select any faces right here. Here we have this type of sheets where you have the thickness. I just decrease the thickness is 2 mm and then whatever you want to do. I just use a thickness of 3 this mm is used right here. You can select any faces right here for you where you want to make as a sheet metal right here. If I click on OK, this will be created right here by using this type. First, I want to cover up this whole part. There is no side. Right here.
Okay.
Edit your picture. Okay, you can also keep the bodies. If you click on the keep the bodies, then your bodies will be kept and this will be sheet metal will be created right here. Okay.
Okay.
This will be sheet metal. Okay. First see I just convert again and go to the this option. And then I just click on keep bodies. I don't want to keep bodies. Okay, reverse this thickness. You can also reverse this thickness to other one. And I don't want to reverse this. I just inside it. Then you can use it here. After this, you can also band its edges. So if you click on the band its edges, and then I want to bend the edges right here. Okay.
Okay.
To select all bends. If you click on no pre bends I found, here we don't have any bends I found. That's why this will be not selected. Rip edges, you can also rip edges you won't be use it. Okay. If I click any edges right here, suppose I want to click here. Rip sketch. I just do overall this one. I just one thing open. Corners okay. To what side? What is it? Oh, this will go for the wire. Where this will be happening. Okay, we want to produce right here. Place be selected and then on the same. This first of all select this is okay. And then I want to do one thing here. And then I select this is. Select this is. Then select this is. Okay. This
Okay.
one is created to there. Okay. If you want again to play here to click on this bed, this will be created right there again. And suppose I just click on OK, then this type of object is created. If I don't want to keep the body, come to this portion and then I can just uncheck this keep the bodies and then check this off. What will be happen? Here you can see that here you can show this type of objects will be created right here.
Okay.
Okay, this type of sheet metal will be created. if we click on this cases right now, if I do, again go to there, and then I just want to show this portion. Okay. And then I want to show this gap between them. Adjust this gap between them. Here we have the option of keywords. Here we have the gap between this main section. If you want to do as one element, then here we gap it minimized. Okay.
Okay.
And you can do this one careless gapping between them. But so this will be one occur when we have this type of object. When we click on this one, here this portion is completely one. Okay. And then gap is one, and then this is as big one. And then if you want to decrease it, then you can decrease it. If you increase it, then you can increase it and then touch it by that. Okay, by one. Okay. If you do this type of it, then you can do this type of way also. If you do this type of way, you can also do this type of way. As 0.1 and then mention is as much as possible to come in between that. Okay. If you do this one, you can do this one, you can do this one, you can do this one. Always you can in corner before you can suggest here. Okay, if you want to onboard you can use here, rectangle by default you will use it. And then you click on OK. Right now we got this type of sheet metals. Right?
Okay.
Simple one, you can keep it right there, and this is the part will be created here. This is by using the convert to sheet metal where we have the solid surfaces and then you want to convert into the sheet metal. Then this by this way you can convert it. Okay, I can also ban it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And we didn't put the radius on replace, or we did that?
So I want to put here the radius also. Just click on it. And here. This is your one click. Sorry.
Only.
Okay. This is your default parameters right there. If you want to increase this radius, you can also decrease this radius by using the by default parameter. By default, this will be unpageated. You can put here the radius of this formation also. Yeah, you can also write the 0 also. You can just make as a corners.
Okay.
Okay, by using this way, you can put here the radius also. And then its thickness. Okay, this is your thickness of this part.
Okay.
By using this way, you can put here the radius and another things. Right?
Right.
This is just the convert to sheet metal option where we have to some features object and then I want to convert it, then this will be happening already. Okay. Next one is Lofted-Bend. Where we have the other option is Lofted-Bend. What's the Lofted-Bend is to if I just close it. I just want to bring it or open the select this face, go to the sketch. And one thing I want to do here, make it rectangle. Mark as a dimension is 1.80 and all apply as a fillet in each and every corner, and then fillet distance I use as 20 mm. Every corner I apply as a fillet. And in this section, in the sheet metal things, always you can open your object, not a closed object. Okay, that's why I just open my object here. I just make simple as the circle. Okay. Just payment this portion, and then okay, shape option will be done. Select this one and delete it. Okay. This portion is created right here. Okay. After that, I want to, for the lofted, we need to be 2 sketches. Without 2 sketches, I can't do it at all. I can also talk about the lofted features and surface model also already. Then once I go to the existing sketch, first of all, feature surface where you want to go, but just select your reference geometry, select the reference geometry here. Where you have the reference geometry here, just select it and click on it, and then this will be reference geometry. 30 mm, 40 mm, whatever you want to do here. I just use this as a 40 mm and click on OK. Right? After that, go to the sketch, start my sketch, and then I want to do, I make as a circle right here. Okay. I don't mention here the dimension right now. just use it, and then I also open it because I just want to open this file also. And then I just trim it first of all. Then I trim it, then select this option and then delete it. Okay, I just open it the this thing also. Okay.
Okay.
So existing sketch first. After that, go to the surface. Not the surface here, sheet metal. Go to this. Here, what you do? Just select your this profile to this profile. Okay, and then see that this will be showing like that. Okay. This way, you can create your sheet metal by using the loft case also. Okay. Inside the loft case, you can have this is form where we have to just write here the thickness or the thickness you want and then just make it. And if you click on the form here, this will be based simple one sheet metal will be created by using the loft.
Okay.
Okay. But if you want to make as a bend, then what I do? Just click on it. I don't want to bend this. Just in the message section, you don't there. And I just use here to the lock pen. I just delete this one. I don't need to be the this type of lock. I just want to bend type of lock. Let's delete this first. Okay, click on lock pen again. And then in this case, I select the manufacturing where I matter this pen, not the font. Font is directly made by this. If you want to make as a bend, and this is your bend points right there, where you want to increase or decrease the bend points. Okay, you can move it and then show it. First of all, is chord tolerance. Chord tolerance face value you can use 1 mm, 2 mm, whatever you want, face value you want. So it's okay. This is chord tolerance. Okay. Simple one you can create it by this. If you use you must say if you use to okay this point, then what will happen? This type of chord tolerance will be given of the 1 mm of these portions right here. This is chord tolerance where we have this, right?
Okay.
After that, if you again go to there and then edit it, and then here just see here to the number of beds. Here we have to also specify the number of beds, how many beds you want to show here. Suppose you increase the number of beds, right? Decrease the number of beds. You minimum 2 bands are there, and maximum you want to 4 bands, and then how many bands are there, right? 3 bands. Two, you can specify the bands also. If you click on OK, okay, rebuild this will be happening, and then I just click on OK. I think something is not fixed. I think so. Okay. Okay. So you can band this over right here. If you want to segment length by using the segment length, this is my segment length right here. Then you can also specify the segment length. Suppose I use a 2 mm. So this is your segment length will be decreased right there. And if you click on OK, this will be take time.
Okay.
Taking too much time. Okay, this is called a segment length. Okay, here we have to divide into the segment, and this type of object will be given right here. And then if you again do as well, in there's 4 sections here. Segment angle you can also define as by the segment angle by using the angle between them. You can decrease the angle, increase the angle right here, and make them as this type of thing. If you click on OK, this type of object will be created. Okay, this is called a simple sheet metal. If you flatten this one, so this type of things will be shown here. Okay, I just unflatten it and I can show it this formation. Okay. So by using the sheet metal, you can make this type of object also. If I do, I just delete this one, and then I delete this sketch tool again, and then I select this plate, and then I make this one sketch on here. Center rectangle. I do as a center rectangle. Mark as a dimension. I just use as a direct filter. I just use it a 15 I guess. Click on this one I just make as a open one. Trim it, entities. Okay, delete this one. Okay, this one is created. Adjust your sketch. Click offside, and then go to the sheet metal. Again, use a saw lock pad. And then first of all, select this profile, and after that, this profile, right? You can also
Okay.
make them this type of objects right here by using same way of the objects right here. In this case, you can use a port tolerance. Okay, you can also use a port tolerance, number of segments. Okay, and number
Okay.
of bands, segment opting. Same type of object you can create here, multiple type of object you can create here, anything you can use to create this ones also. Okay. We
Okay.
click on OK, this type of objects will be created. Right? So whatever you want, just making your sheet metal by using the lot band, you can also use to also you for making this type of object.
Okay.
This
Okay.
way.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This will be done. Then after that, I want to create another one. Okay, next one I talk about the forming tool, what the forming tool is to. If I just close this here, I will create also new one. Click on- First of all, I make something here. Like this page, go to sketch, start your sketch, make them as a rectangle here. Smart dimension, I mentioned is 120 and 8. After that, I apply here a fillet one, like this fillet, this one is a fillet, and this one is a fillet. This one is fillet, and fillet distance I write here is, I think, 20, 15. Yeah, you can also write here the 15 mm. Okay. I don't open it this one, I just say exist your sketch, and then main name are photo feature, exit boss space. Okay. And
Okay.
store it by uh, whatever. And
Okay.
now I want to also just decrease this by 5 degree.
Okay.
That's what is called. Okay. This one is created right here. After this, mm, this one okay. After this, what I do? I just click this one and then come to this one. Okay, this here. One thing I also want to do is the fillet. Go to the fillet one and then I filleted this section. Fillet is I do is a 2 mm. I just use as a 2 mm, not the 2 mm. I use it as a 4 mm. And click on OK. Right. As far as after that, I want to make something else here. I just make some objects right there and select it. Go to sketch, start with sketch, go to this one, click on it, and then we make them this type of object. Mark as the dimensions, and the mark is a 136, and then here 296. Right. Click OK. After that, you want to also as a select one, then just fillet it by yourself. Once you want to fillet 20, 15, whatever you want. Okay, I just use the fillet the same as well. After this, I just use to be exist your sketch, go to the feature and extrude boss. Right here, this is your extrude option. I just decrease it. Okay, panorama is got right here. Just click on option. This part is created. After this, I want to do one thing. I make as a fillet option in this sections also. I just click on the fillet,
Okay.
click all the option, and then I say the fillet is 2 mm
Mhm.
and click on OK. Okay. this portion is created right there, and then also I just want fillet this one. No, I just filleted this one also.
Okay.
And the same thing I filleted here.
Okay.
Okay, this type of object is used, and then I convert this object into form of forming tools. Okay, then how to do that?
Go to surface metal, sheet metal.
Sheet metal will go there, and then go to the forming tool.
Convert. Okay.
Click on the forming tool. Okay, select your face, stopping face. This is my stopping face. I select this face to remove. I don't use here right now. I just select the stopping face where we have the stopping face right here. Just I delete it for me. And then I select the stopping face right there. Okay. This is your stopping face.
What
And
is top face like?
stopping face is just where you want to place the face to face, match the face to face of the any object sheet metals. That's
Okay.
how the stopping face way. And then mark as a point also where you match this. Click on OK. And this type of forming tool will be created right here. This is your forming tool.
Okay.
And then once I do, next one you do here to go to the save option. And then make them is not this one. I just save as in form of forming tools. So once I do, I just click on this one and select the my file is my forming tool file. To select yours, choose the forming tool. Forming tool. Oh yeah, this is my form tool option. Okay, select the file in form of form tool. Click on the form tool. And then when you click on the form tool, here we have the option go to direct to the design library. And then here we have the other one option is called as form tools. Click on the form tools. And inside the form tools, you can save this file on tips option. And then name it this form tool is, I just use as a sync. Okay. And save it. Okay, this forming tool is created right now. After that, we come here to the, I just close it, this one. Where we use here, just I show you. Click on new part, go to the part, select here, any option. Just select the face, go to sketch, start your sketch, make the manager sketch. And mark as a dimension by 160. And here. Oh, very good. Okay. This one is created. Okay. Go to the this is sketch. Okay, and then you want to go to the sheet metal, convert into the blends and tab, usage here. And then what's the sheet metal sizes you want to do here, 2 mm, 3 mm, whatever you want to do here to adjust use as a sheet metal is 2 mm. Okay. This is my sheet metal. And then I want to do one thing. I want to make something as like where we have to compress some for some pieces right here. Okay, some just we show the mold. To compress the sheet metal, heavy heated sheet metal to the compress with the mold. Then what will be there? They take the same type of shapes right here. Okay, for me to make as like this. So how to do that? For this way, you can go to the appearance sections. In the appearance section, we have the design library option. Click on the design library. Inside the design library, we have the design library options here. And in this case, we select the forming tool. Where we have the forming tool, just click on erase. And then here we are created as a forming tool here. Name as a sync. Click on the sync. Okay, just click on it. And then place here where you want to place. Okay. One we place here. This sync will be created right there, and then I want to if you where you want to show here and where you want to do here to this way. Okay. This way you can create this type of field, and then here you want to position it. If you click on the position, then you can see here the position, and then by using the dimension you can position it. But this is perfectly aligned the center one. Okay.
Okay.
It's perfectly aligned the center one. If you can't align the center one, this see that this is not aligned the center one. Then I just consider this aligned with the center one. Just click this one. Click this one.
Zero.
It is 0. Okay. And after this, I align with the center to this point. Sorry. Two. Sorry. I think this will be not created well. Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
Again, I do it again. I go to the design library, go to the lips, and then use as a sink, and I apply it as a sink right here. This is better way to use it, but I want to also adjust this position. But in this case, we don't have to need to be positioning. But we
Okay.
need this here. I just use the smart dimension first. Click on
Yes.
it, and then make them as a 0. After this, click this line and this line, and then make them as also a 0. And after that, we can click on its portions. Okay, this one is created right there. If you do, this is the form where you want to at this position, and then if you've done it, well, okay, and then click on OK. Click on forming tool is OK.
Okay.
I think this is a rebuild error. What's the rebuild error is this?
Where do you move to center?
This is my dimensions. Like this, okay. This is showing us the rebuild error. So ठीक है फिर भी मैंने सही select किया है forming tool भी सही work कर रहा है किंतु rebuild error कैसे समझ में आया right code sketch one click this space and I want to click here. Okay, this is center perfectly center line, right? I don't go to the sketch here. Go to the sheet metal again.
Okay.
Okay, I just apply the diagonal as a free form tool rip and then use the sync and use the sync. Okay, and then click on OK.
Okay.
Yeah, just I click on OK. I just don't think any changes right here, but you can see here what happened. Your sheet metal is converted as lightweight. We have to more paste the heated sheet metal to summon the mold, and then this type of object is created, right?
Right.
This type of a simple sink design. Okay, outer design where we have to make the hole and then fit the pipe and then make them as a sink, right?
Yes.
This is called a forming tool where we have to make any tools as a forming and then make them as well as your sheet tool to convert into any form as in any design formations, right?
Okay.
This
Right.
is the two uses of the forming tools. That's clear?
Yes. Clear. Our only thing, the top portion we didn't uh
Mhm.
do closer or
You
before.
have to always
Okay.
remember that you select the top portion because we have to paste as make the top to top. Okay,
Okay.
that's why this will be pasted inside it and then make them sit into this form. Okay,
Okay.
that's good. Uh, this is simple one. You can create it here. You can also assign this one, and this is a simple sink design here right there. If you want to see here, so this one, this space you can see. Right? You can make
Yeah.
them all as well as better.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. After that, we come to the next one is here. Go to the other one, 6 inch. I just click on this and then I'll close this file. Save it. New one I use here, parts I use. I just use here the new file, select this one, and then go to the sketch, start with sketch. Okay, make them any shapes, and then right here is smart dimension. Okay, this is scales. Go to the sheet metal, go to the fence tab, and this one is created right here. Click on OK. Here, I want to do one thing, and then I make as S planes. Click on the S planes, click on option, and then here we have to create as a S planes. Like the distance is 40 mm. And this one is created right here. And you can also, okay, the software. Nothing to be do as well. Also, I just click on again and then make them again the X planes. Click on this one and then make them as same as it is, just 40 mm. Okay, click on OK. Then again to the go to the X planes and then here I just select it here and make them as a 55 mm. And also edit your flange profile and then select this one and then right here -25 and just at this point I write here at 25. Okay, finish it. This type of flags options will be created right here. Say this one also. Okay. Go to the custom edit. Click on custom edit. Okay, rectangular and outer bound, whatever you want to do. Let's edit. Go to OK. Then after that, again, want to same thing. I want to create it here. Then select this one. And then make it the 35. And just use it facility and use here this type of one and go to the edit profile. Same thing I do here.
Mm-hmm.
25
Okay.
here
That's fine.
-20. And this.
I have a question. We can do mirror also here. We can.
Yeah, you can do as mirror, but this is your profile. That's why we can't mirror it as well. Better way to create yourself, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is your way. You can create it is this fine. Okay. Here
Okay.
we use here to the make something right. In this case, we use as a unfold. First of all, unfold it. You want to unfold this the things. You can also want to unfold it. If you click on unfold and then select the fixed face and then click on select all the face or band option and click on it.
Okay.
Then what will be happen to see here? This option
Right.
should be unfolded.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I just fold it again and then you okay click on OK. Select all the plans and then click on OK. What if I want to do here to edit your plans? Just edit it with the plans and then make them as type of things. Okay. And then same thing for the plans too. I have this one. After this, unfold it. Unfold
Okay.
move, I just select the fixed one and then select all the bands option and then click on OK. This way
Okay.
you can create it here. Okay. And just right here. After this, you can select this face, go to the sketch, start your sketch one, first of all. Here you want to create something. Suppose here I want to create here the center slope. Here, you can select the center slope right here, make them.
Okay.
After that, mention its dimension. I'll increase this dimension to 15.
Okay.
This is also here. Okay. This. Okay, this is this and this open. Okay, this one is created right there, and you can also use the dimension of this one. This is 3 mm. And you can mention the dimension of this portion to this portion. I use as a 15 mm. After this, I want to do this sketch better. Okay, select this perfect.
Okay.
And then I don't want to do as x-axis. I just want to do in this direction of y-axis. So at
Okay.
this reverse the direction. Apply the distance is 50.
Okay.
And then increase the okay. I just use 12 mm.
Okay.
I think it's good. Okay. This is all good. After this one is created. One thing I also do here. So again, I create this portion is here also. So this one I do is just take this one. Okay, I just want to do here. Mm, for dimension 030. Okay, word, and then here I just put here the 5 mm. Okay, fine. After this, I just want to make here is a new dimension and section line. Mark it as a point line. Put a dimension line.
Okay.
Because I want to do one thing. That's mirror entities.
Mm.
Mirror the all object. I selected here. Mirror box.
Okay.
This
Mm.
okay, this video is created as the mirror. And then again, come to this portion. And after this, I want to, this is exist your sketch first.
Yes.
And then go to the sheet metal and unfold it. Okay.
Okay.
And then you can do as unfold. Select all that. Like this. Okay. First of all, we don't need to be unfolded first. I
Okay.
just, one second. I just delete this one and forward.
Okay.
First of all, I just use the extrude cut.
Mhm.
Okay. This one on the sheet metal, we have the extrude cut option as well. Okay. I just select this one. All the option I select here. And then
Okay.
I'm going to do as extrude cut. I do as extrude cut as well. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
This then uses here the screen. Right. After that, I
Okay.
want to fold it. So just is fold option. Click on the fold option and select all
Okay.
plans and then click
Okay.
on, right? And you see
Yes.
here, this is your call option where you want.
Okay.
Okay, you can call it and then make them this type of object and holes, and then other things you can use is by fold and fold, extrude cut. We have the other option is also as a extrude cut here. Okay. Many of the
Okay.
options are there who make them as well. Better by this way. Okay, next is simple one I do as well. Yeah, first well. Okay, next one is your vent. Vent is already I talked about in the later. It is the same thing is here to do here. Okay. Suppose here I want to make is a here is a vent. Okay. Simply I select this one and then go to the sketch. Start your sketch and make them as a this one. Right here. I just don't need to be mentioned as a dimension because I don't have that much time. I just use it here. And then small that's one picture. Okay. After that I use as a line also. Make this line to this line and this line to this line and this line to this line. I want to make it. And this line to like this one and the radius. Okay, one line I will also want to make it this line to this line. Okay, this is the example I make it. This is what I do. Go to the exercise sketch first. After that, go to the sweep method. And then what you do here, you can go to the vent. In the vent section, we have to select the boundary first. You can select all the line. By default, this line is selected. Okay. And then here, next one is ribs. Okay. This is your ribs. Then I select the ribs. And then here I just decreases as to 2 mm. And then select the all ribs where we have the ribs. Okay. I just select this all ribs. And after this, you can select the spas. This is called my spas. Okay. Select this the spas or the spas. And after that, you want to close this face. Then you can click on the close this face. But after this is, and then just click here on it, and this will be close it. Okay. This is the same way vent option you can use as well. The same thing, and as I just click on it, and this type of vent is created. Okay. Where we have two outer sections of motor part using the sheet metals and vent option. Right. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Next one I do here to this one. I just one thing I do. I'll just do one thing. All the sketches right here. I just next one I want to do here. Other one I just want to do. I just go to the add splines option is also. Yeah, I do some splines right here and then make them as a 25 or okay, 25 is good. Splines. And then make them as well and click on OK. And same is planes I do here to do as make is here. Right at 25. Click on just select this one is good and then click on right. And in this case,
Yes.
I want to create one thing. This calls your metal sheet metal gust. Click on the sheet metal gust right here, and then you want to click it sheet metal. You just select this space, okay. And then here you want to offset this. I just use a 25 as offset distance right here. Okay. This is your option, and this is your ease where you want to apply it. This is your piece where you apply the gusset. And then
Okay.
your first distance is 20. I just use as a trend. And then second distance I also use as a track. Okay, this is first and this is second distance right here. Okay. You use
Okay.
as well to 15, 13 this one. And after this, here you can use it, and then after that you can use as a width. If you want to create a width to the 10 mm, then you can use the 10 mm. And then if you want to create as a 5 mm, then you can use as a 5 mm also. So whatever
Okay.
you want to do is anything you can want to do here. And if you click on OK, then once you create here, you can create this type of waste options also. I just
Okay.
one thing once again do is see better I go to the edit it. And this I want to do. That's 10 out. And your intent thickness is 5 mm. Okay. And if I click here, okay, this type of goes here, and then this type of face you can see here. Okay, in your
Okay.
objects. By using this way, you can create this type of thing. Same thing you can want to create here. So you can also create this one in this portion also. Okay. This is simple.
Okay.
You can use as your sheet metal. This is the example of the sheet metal we want to create. How to create your sheet metal, and this is your outer structures you can create by using them, and then make the uh, your outer structure of your is this like as a fin options where you have to apply the some effects, heating effects. Okay. By using
Okay.
this, you can create multiple types of things, right? Just clear? No
Yes,
doubt?
clear. No, no doubt.
Okay, do as practice well, and after that we take a class of after Christmas. Okay.